Mastering conjunctions. Avoid common mistakes with parallel structure. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating part of English grammar, conjunctions. We've been exploring this topic in our previous videos, and now, we're focusing on a specific challenge: ensuring parallel structure. This topic is all about avoiding common mistakes related to conjunctions and parallelism, a vital aspect of crafting clear and grammatically sound sentences. Remember, understanding parallel structure will not only help you avoid errors but also enhance the flow and impact of your writing and speech. Before we dive into the common mistakes, let's make sure we understand what parallel structure is. In English grammar, parallel structure, also known as parallelism, refers to the use of identical or equivalent syntactic constructions in corresponding clauses or phrases. This means that elements in a sentence that are similar in content and function should be grammatically similar or parallel. Here's an example. She likes hiking, swimming, and to read. This sentence is not parallel because the verbs are not in the same form. The parallel version would be, she likes hiking, swimming, and reading. In this sentence, all the activities are in the ing form, so the sentence is parallel. One of the most common mistakes involving parallel structure is the incorrect use of conjunctions. Conjunctions, like and, or, but, so, and yet, are used to join words, phrases, or clauses together. However, the elements being joined need to be parallel, or the sentence can sound awkward or confusing. Let's look at an example of an incorrect sentence. I want to travel to Europe and eating Italian food. In this sentence, to travel and eating are not parallel. The correct, parallel sentence would be, I want to travel to Europe and eat Italian food. In this sentence, both to travel and to eat are in the infinitive form, making the sentence parallel. When you're writing or speaking, here are a few tips to help you ensure parallel structure. 1. Identify the conjunctions in your sentence and make sure the elements they are connecting are parallel. 2. Check for lists. If your sentence contains a list of items or activities, ensure that all elements of the list are in the same grammatical form. 3. Revise and proofread your sentences. Reading your sentences out loud can help you spot any areas where parallel structure may be lacking. And there you have it. Remember, using parallel structure, especially with conjunctions, makes your English more clear and precise. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it in no time. I hope this video has helped clarify this tricky part of English grammar. Keep practicing, stay curious, and happy learning.